So at the same time, oh, no cracks. Boeing 747-400 flight deck. Liquid penetrant. Whoa. Whoa, this is crazy. Oh, she's a feisty one. See this?
See, happy?
Oh, come on. Big old airplane. 747-400. And it's full cargo configuration. It's actually full-blown cargo from factory. Yep. If I don't remember right, it has a 200 feet wingspan from tip to tip. And I believe, I gotta look at my research, what's nose to tail linked. Yep. We're gonna do a walk around on this airplane. We're gonna do an inspection on this airplane. And then we're gonna do a walkthrough. Cargo conversion. Come on. Look at that. So the engines are opened up already. Look at that. White airplane, so the airline's not gonna hate on me because I'm not out here promoting their logo and giving them extra business, nor they're giving me any compensation either. So look at that. Big old wing. Anyways, let's start to walk around a little bit. Boeing 747-400 respect has a wingspan tip to tip 211 feet.
No,
wingspan 211 feet, and total length nose to tail 232 feet US. So those guys of you that like sports, nose to tail is almost a football field. 300. So let's play some ball. Where's the football at? I'm out. 100 yards, almost 100 yards. The nose to tail of a 747-400 is 232 feet in length, almost a football field. So like I said, where's the ball? Where's the cheerleaders? Game on. I'm out. Big old nose, guys. Yes, this seems like it's a nose loader too. Look at that. 4 inches, 2 inches on each side. This is the nose landing gear wheel well. Yep. And the landing gear wheel well, the landing gears are almost 5 feet long. So, a little walk around here. You got one of the cargo doors that's open, the small one. You got a lot of equipment on this airplane out here because this airplane is here for a service. Checking the engine oils, changing the spark plugs, you know, greasing up the transmission, that type of thing, you know. A little walk around here. Basically the same thing goes on one side, goes on the other. I'll show you a little engine right here. Okay. Oh yeah, now we're in the landing gear section. Look at this. These landing gears, these tires are up to my ribs. Big old landing gears. Let's go check it out. Oh. Okay, so these are the gears. Big old actuator, guys. Big old pistons. This is the piston right here for the landing gear, the cylinder, and all that great stuff. And they have, you're probably wondering what this little red flag that's hanging on it. That's a gear pin. So while the airplane's on the ground, they install these gear pins to make sure that the airplane doesn't collapse on the landing gears. Yeah, so this wheel well is for this gear, the wing body gear, and this gear goes up inside this wheel well, wing gear and a body gear. And then these doors, of course, will close up and make the airplane all aerodynamic. A lot of gears, a lot of tires, guys. This is actually an 18-wheeler. It's an 18-wheeler. 18 tires and wheels and brakes on this airplane. Continue the walk around. Okay, so this is the flaps. So these flaps, they're down. They're like in the landing configuration, but they got these things called canoes. Yeah, exactly. You got canoes right here. That's what they use on the flaps, called canoes. And then we're gonna do a little areas here on the fuselage, the cargo door, and I'm gonna go down because I don't want to get the number, and I'm gonna go over there in that white tail. Oh yeah. Boom. Yeah. All these flags you see here, that's protection for the pitot static system. So they cover it up with plastic so that the little bugs, while it's in service, don't get in there and start nesting, and then they have a problem with airspeed indications. Okay, see you a little bit. Okay, let's look at the airplane from the tail end. Oh yeah, look at that. There's airplanes taking off over there too. Yeah, I know, it looks like a flying saucer. Okay guys, so this is what we got. So we're putting this probe around she goes. If the equipment detects any cracks. So at the same time, nope, no cracks, no vertical lines. So this equipment also has a little alarm so you can actually hear it and you can see it, both. So this side is good. All right, it's pretty neat. We're up here, top of this wing, like a 007 thing. We're going up in there and doing an inspection. That fitting right here. Make sure the airplane's safe. So we're doing an inspection at the end fitting here. This is the walking beam. It supports the left wing and the landing gear combination. Major support here. Yeah. This is some pretty big stuff. My finger thickness is thinner than this bolt right here. Just one of them. So we're gonna scan this area here with a special machine to make sure that there's no cracks. Exactly. Okay, I'm out. So this machine connected to a probe, and we scan it around the bolt hole. We scan it around the bolt hole to make sure there's no cracks coming out. Yeah. So you can see we have no vertical lines that we're getting. You guys are probably wondering, first of all, why is this thing turning and spinning? That's because the wind is turning. It's like a big old fan. And the other thing you guys are probably wondering is what's those little tape stuck to the front of those blades. And we'll explain to you that in a little bit. Wow. So what we do here is we put this liquid penetrant on the blending. You see how it's like a little, they blended it out? And we put that little green stuff on there, wait for 15 minutes so it could soak, you know, and then we're gonna also put a black light to it to see if there's any cracks coming out from that blend out. Way out. Light Mike for a second. And we're putting the black light to see if there's any crack indications, and as you can see that there is no crack indications. Take a little walk. Let's go up inside the airplane. This airplane, I believe, is 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. Getting up here, a little bit higher. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Look at this, guys. It's like a spaceship. Put some lights on for you. Whoa. Whoa, this is crazy. That's crazy. This is like a spaceship, guys. Let's go walk back there. Gotta be careful when you're walking through these roller board right here. This is rollerblading right here, buddy. Because you can wipe out. All right. Huh?
You got the blackboard.
What?
You got the blackboard.
Oh yeah. Huge, guys, huge. This is the main deck cargo compartment. So we're inside the main deck, and we're here looking at the door that's partially open. So the cargo would come here, could come in here, and these are smart smart wheels, and they turn around and automatically they bring the cargo in facing the other way, and then they face this way, and they start bringing the cargo all the way to the back, right? All the way back here, and then you got these stops that keep the cargo from moving. See? And there's some cargo go back in there too. And then, oh, look at that. What's up, Mike? So, it's an amazing airplane. And it goes out, so the cargo moves with these automatic wheels. Yes. And they have like a little joystick right here. It's pretty cool. You got like little joysticks for every station, you know. And this is a computerized joystick, computerized control station right here. You control the cargo coming in and out of this airplane. This is massive. This is amazing. Okay. That's it. Let's go to level 3. So we got this ladder right here. We're gonna go up to the upper deck where they have, here you go. It's like a spaceship, guys. Glad you guys are joining us here on our little adventure of the day. A day in our life. So as soon as we walk in here, boom, we got 2 first-class seats for the crew. And we keep going back over here, and we got 2 more first-class seats. So now we come over here, we go in this door, and look at this. This is pretty neat. They have a bed here, right? Then you go on this side, and you got another bed right here. Yeah. And you're probably wondering, why is it that they need 2 beds? Because what happens is, oh, look, they got a little galley here going on. In the laboratory too, the bathroom. Cool. So anyways, what happens is, they have, oh look, they got this emergency exit door right here too. Look at this. Whoa. Okay, so as I was saying, they have those 2 beds. So when they have a very, very long flight, like 16-hour flight, and have a double crew, so one crew rests while the other one works and flies the airplane, right? Exactly. And then they swap out, and then they don't have to rest. I mean, they don't have to stop. Exactly. So these reels called initial reels, and we're all the way up here in the bubble of the 747, and they got this hatch open. So if there was an emergency, the crew will grab, I think, 2 of these initial reels and jump out of this hatchet into, hopefully they're safe, all the way down there. Okay, just to let you know. Hey, Boeing 747-400 flight deck. Nothing is lit up right now because everybody went to lunch, so it's okay. Yes, 4 engines, 4 throttles, control column on each side, all digital displayed instruments. The rudders are on the pedals. Rudder pedals are on your foot pedals right here. And that's it. Let me sit over here for a second. Oh. And this is what it looks like from the pilot side, looking outside. That's his nose right here. Oh look, American Airlines is taking off right now. Come on, come on. There you go, right there. Yeah, maybe I'll use that for my thumbnail, maybe I won't. We'll see. So anyways, guys, welcome aboard. Thanks for coming along with us today on this little adventure tour of a Boeing 747-400. That's Michael back there. We're over here sitting where the pilot and the co-pilot would be sitting at right here. There is no flight engineer on this airplane. Everything is all computerized. Bunch of stuff right here. Anyways, thanks for coming along with us. Just remember, if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and drop a comment on the below there to see what you like, what you didn't. Well, hopefully you liked everything, and then what you like to see next. We're out.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next one. It's hot in here right now because the AC's off. Who does this to people over here?
I might cut some of this out, might not, but I'm out.
I like that. We're out. Okay, look. Let me turn around again. So we're over here. We're in the middle of the airport. And
I thought this video ended already.
No, it doesn't end until the battery's dead. So this is pretty neat. Or I ran out of storage. That's JetBlue just landed too as well. What's going on, Mike?
What's going on? What's going on?
What you got? Oh, so you got mahi already? Nice mahi, buddy. Look at the colors on that mahi. Oh, right in my face. Thanks. Oh, she's a feisty one. People want to see this.
See, happy?
Oh, come on, not yet. Awesome fish.
Go.
What's going on, guys? So, welcome back to the show. I know you missed us plenty. So we have a special guest. This is actually Tay, short name for Taylor. This is Kristen's, my wife's sister, godmother of Isaiah and aunt of Isaiah.
Hello.
And we're over here enjoying our fabulous signature blackened mahi catch of yesterday's day, not today. It was caught yesterday. But anyways,
Looks
this
great.
yes it does. And this may conclude this video, or this may not. I am definitely not cutting any part of this video whatsoever, because you guys get it raw. No Love Boat background music. You hear the splashes, you hear the wind blowing, you hear the screaming with the big fish. Oh, and we don't lose fish on this show. No.
No wasting fish.
No, we don't waste it, and we don't lose them.
Mm-hmm.
No, once they're on the hook, they're committed.